Here we'll use some basic tools to help ensure good connective tissue health in and around the elbow region. So first we'll work on the lower portion of our triceps muscle, closer to the tendinous portion. So rolling this area along a wooden dowel that's on the ground while we're sidelying. We can feel for any areas that are especially tender and tight and linger on those areas, just gently rotating the arm. Once we're used to this, we can place the other hand on top of the biceps area to put a little bit of downward pressure on the tissues that we're rolling. We can even take the shoulder through a bit of internal and external rotation, take the elbow through these circles, and we can change the position of the dowel if necessary to target tissues that feel especially tight and tender. And it's the same thing with the massage ball as well as with the flex bar that you see. Any one of these three tools can be very effective in ensuring good connective tissue health of this area. People who do quite a bit of straight arm work, so push-ups, dips, even plank work while working on their core strength, tend to have tightness in this area. Now the other side, having our arm flat on the ground beside us and pronating our forearm so that the palm is down on the ground, we're going to use a dowel to strip out the lower biceps area, getting into the brachialis. Just passing through this area with the dowel, regulating the amount of pressure we want to use with our upper hand. This is another area that tends to develop shortness, tightness, suboptimal connective tissue health when doing a lot of straight arm work. You can even run the dowel further along to get your brachioradialis as well as your forearm extensors. And you can do the same things with a flex bar or any other similar tool. If you have any questions, please use the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more suggestions on how to improve your mobility and health. And for our most recent self-care suggestions, please use the link here to subscribe to our newsletter. All of this helps us produce more useful content. Thank you and see you again soon.